Hello everyone. Although the inverter battery does not require quick maintenance, but if you want that your inverter battery continues to operate well, then you can do regular checkup of your battery. You can check the batteries yourself. And if there is any problem in the battery, then contact the Luminous Service Center. Now in this video, let us see how to check up the inverter battery at home. Regular checkup of the battery is very important if you want your inverter battery to run without interruption. You should check your inverter battery at least once every 3 months. Let's see how you can check your battery in these easy ways. The battery must be fully charged before checkup. Please make sure that the battery is charged 10 to 15 hours from a good inverter. Before checking the battery condition, switch off all of the inverter switches and disconnect the inverter from the wall socket. Now let's check the battery step by step. But before battery checkup, keep one thing in mind, that there is corrosive liquid in the battery, which can harm you a lot. So stay alert and safe during battery checkup. First, check the acid level by looking at the float indicator. A good battery should have the same acid levels in all cells. You can top up with DM water if needed. While topping up, keep in mind that the DM water in the batteries are filled up to the maximum mark of float indicator. Do not overfill, as this may cause problems in battery operation. Check the terminal area of the battery and inverter interconnection point. Lead sulfate accumulates on the battery terminal area several times during battery operation. These lead sulfates increase the electric resistance in the current path of the battery, thereby interrupting the current flow between the inverter and the battery. In this case, clean the terminal area with hot water and nylon brush. After cleaning the terminal area, you must make a petroleum jelly layer over there. Clean the dust or dirt on the top surface of the battery with a dry cloth. Check the wires of the battery and see if there is any cut, spill, or if the wire has melted. The damaged wires will not only affect the performance of your battery, but also cause the risk of short circuit in your house. If you feel that the battery wire is damaged and needs to be replaced, do not replace it yourself, but contact Luminous Service Center for expert help. For more information, visit www.luminousindia.com or call 1-800-1033-039 anytime. Please do not forget to like the video. To see more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned.